General Secretary Sini Sar Member Korjamatiya Kotabuk Botmani Minister Sini Sar Jiren Devrama Bonoma Hambai Mare Aparo They are all of Haimanja Sini Yotni AGS DN
Chini coba buni nok hook sheknania. Ewa buni man thano
Long live, long live. Long live, long live. Long live. Identity, long live. Long live, long live. Addition, long live. Long live, long live. People in some night. People in some other day, for the Chini Loge, everybody other financial people and a federation cover Kuba Lamsko. Everybody BJP, younger people and a younger federation cover Kuba Lamsko. People in some night.
Today, once again, 9th July 2020, we have a joining program in the presence of our President N.C. Deborma here in Sodor North, Purbo Nawabadi, Toktu Bazar, under Sodor Subdivision. We have a 19 family and 59 voters. Especially I give my thanks and regard Mr. Badal Deborma, his BJP leaders in this locality, and also we have an elected member, Horipod Deborma, is elected member of CPIM. In their leadership, they have joined our party, IPFT, and from today onward, they are joining our family. They will become IPFT family. And as you know, in whole over Tripura, not only in this Sodor subdivision, all over Tripura, there are continuous joining program from different party, especially from BJP, Congress, CPM, are joining to our party IPFT. It is a sign of our progress, and people are expecting us that IPFT is the only party in Tripura. We are a recognized party in Tripura, can struggle, can fight for the people, for the cause of the people. There is a realization of the people of Tripura. Therefore, not only tribal, even non-tribal and other minority group also joining our party day by day. And we are hopeful in coming election, DC election, definitely IPFT party will perform well in the election. And we are planning to have from the government, IPFT will get majority. That is what we are expecting. And this is a sign of progress. Every day we are getting support from different angle, from different party. Therefore, I congratulate today our Honorable President N.C. Deborma was present in this program, joining program. And I thanks especially the newcomers who are joining our family today. We'll look after them and we'll guide them and we'll treat them as our family members. Thank you.
Sarat Tripura Kubuni party yakari Chini party IPFT jo dan khaimani ewa joining program khaimani abo thaklaya cholin tongo tini orwo Purbo Nawabadi kasha joining program e joining program orwo tini 19 poribar nei 59 voter विशेष लई CPM या करई BJP या करई तीन पार्टियों फाई ते बरलेन आंदोलनों बरो शामिल हों फाइया जों पार्टी ने उंगई बरो चंखाओं नई तंगो प्रेसिडेंट ताई जनरल सेक्रेटरी ताई कोबनी आदोंग रोग MLA रोग तंगो ताई कोबनी मिनाटर रोग नई बुजुगंगती जों तिनी बोंगनो तिनी बाना IPF तिनी बाना या करई जों बोंगनो तिनी खाबाय खुबाय रामचंद्र चक्का आरो मिजिं भेलथायै BJP नि कर्मकर्ता तंगो बो बादल देबरमा ताई तंगो CPM नि निर्वाचित सदस्य विलेज कमिटि सदस्य बो उनका दिनै হরিপদ দেববর্মা বক সহ তিনি হয়জন হয়েছে আবো সারা ত্রিপুরার পক্ষে বিশেষ করে এই সদর উত্তর বা অন্যান্য অঞ্চলের পক্ষে খুব একটা উৎসাহনী ব্যাপার মনে সিজাগো যে সারা ত্রিপুরা নেই তিনি আদিবাসী জনগোষ্ঠী বড় যতন তাবো থানচাঙ্গই ইয়াপ্রি বাক্সাঙ্গই আগামী দিনও কাহামকাই চবা খাইথাঙ্গই ত্রিপুরালেন আদে খেলেনি এবং বিশ্বংনি যে চবা মানে ইলেকশন এডিসি ইলেকশন আর যে কোনোভাবেই হোক ক্ষমলঙ্গ তাকলাই আইপিএফটি ইলেকশন কপ্লাইঙ্গই আর ক্ষমতা দখল খাই আবনের সময় তিনি টাঙাইছা আসলে